What would you do if your internet went down right now? No emails. No orders. No Zoom. No sales. Just silence. Every second offline costs you money, momentum, and trust. But what if you had a backup plan ready to fire in seconds? Introducing US Tech 5G Fast Internet, your business's lifeline when the grid goes down. Blazing fast. Always on. Seamless failover. No drama. Whether you're running a cafe, a clinic, or a creative studio, your connection stays strong, even when your primary provider drops the ball. Because downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's expensive. US Tech 5G keeps your business moving, your customers happy, and your reputation intact. Don't wait for disaster. Be ready. US Tech 5G Fast Internet, your backup, your safety net, your secret weapon. Go to ustech.com today and see if 5G is available where you are.